We start the engine on this Toyota Tacoma. The engine running smooth, and as soon as we turn on the air conditioning system, we hear this rough sound coming from the AC compressor. Guys, if you're experiencing this problem, don't worry. We're going to show you how to solve it in this video. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. My name is Kirk, and today guys we are going to show you how to remove and replace your Toyota Tacoma AC compressor. If you're new on this channel guys, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you will always be notified every time we drop a new video. And you can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and like us on Facebook. The first thing we're going to do guys is use our 3/8 ratchet angle with a 17mm socket to remove the serpentine belt. As you see guys, we remove the serpentine belt off the AC compressor pulley wheel. We also remove the refrigerant from the system. Now we're going to remove the radiator hose from the engine so we can pull the low side and high side pipe with our 10mm socket, and also we're going to remove the 4 bolts that hold the compressor on the engine.
Expensive cooler, most of the time.
This is the low side and the high side pipes. As you see guys, you can see on the pipes that 2 welding is on it. This is not the original compressor on the engine. So the original compressor would stay like this, but the technician before us modified something different. So we're just going to install the same type of compressor that the technician before us installed on the vehicle. The low side and high side pipe removed from the compressor. Time now to remove the 4 12mm bolts. So as you see guys, remove the old compressor, and the technician before us do a little modification with the wiring system so the AC compressor can chip in. We're going to do the same on the new compressor, but before we install the new compressor, I'm going to show you the condition on the old compressor. I'm going to show you the clutch, pulley wheel, and the coil.
How we are going to the one?
So guys, now you see why we don't try to fix this compressor, we just replace it, because the clutch, coil and pulley is not in a good condition. As you see guys, remove the old compressor wire and install on the new one so the AC compressor can magnetize when the AC turn on. We are installing the new compressor on the vehicle.
One of these fine days when we meet again.
We finished install the new compressor. Now we're going to install a new serpentine belt on the engine.
I wanna go on this one. See, this one take a different.
We refill the radiator with coolant. Also we clean the AC system and remove and replace the receiver dryer. Now we're going to start the engine and recharge the system. We are recharging the air conditioning system now guys with some 134 euro filter on. Guys, the AC is not working. Another successful job from Curtis Studio Auto. We reached the end of the video guys. Hope you guys like this video and share it. And if you find it interesting, please let us know in the comment section.